Wax Upholstery Cleaner provides professional strength interior cleaning and deodorizing for the ultimate finish on your car seats. The rich, oxy-powered foaming solution evenly covers and penetrates surfaces to effectively remove all dirt and grime without leaving residue behind. After application, you're left with a fabric stain barrier, preventing new stains caused by pets, smoke, food, and mildew. Meanwhile, Odor-X Technology permanently eliminates existing odors and continues to deodorize for up to 30 days. Upholstery Cleaner comes with an integrated brush. Its gentle bristles catch lint and pet hair while also reaching into hard-to-reach seams and lifting out dirt without snagging upholstery fibers. Make sure you spray a generous amount on your entire seat covers for maximum performance, and vacuum any loose dirt or debris before application. Wax Upholstery Cleaner remains a bestseller for interior care, a must-have for your car care arsenal that cleans, protects, and deodorizes all at once.